everyone, welcome to Sabrina's Cleaning Tips and Tricks, and today I'm going to teach you how to get the rust out of your toilet tank. I see it almost every single time with my clients that they don't even realize in their tank that they have rust and sediment and iron in the back of their tank. And I think that's a lot of the reason why you get those stains in your bowl, just like that. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to teach you how to do this on your own. And, okay, so I bought this off of Amazon. It's Instant Power Toilet Tank Cleaner. It's very simple. It removes rust and other minerals. So, this is safe on septic systems. This is kind of pricey. I think it was, well, to me it's pricey. I don't remember how much it was. I know that it was quite a bit. Okay. I'll read the directions so you can do it. Complete the repair of your toilet by removing the buildup caused by rust, lime, and calcium. Finish the job! Instant Power Toilet Tank Cleaner is a powerful cleaner that cleans the holding tank. It easily removes calcium and rust deposits from moving parts and prolongs the lifespan of the toilet components. Toilet Tank Cleaner is designed as a periodic cleaner, and when added to a tank, its powerful action helps to clear buildup of potentially damaging deposits such as calcium and rust that can affect the moving parts of a toilet tank. This hassle-free cleaner has no need for scrubbing. Simply leave in the tank overnight and let the cleaner get to work, leaving a pleasant, fresh scent. Directions for use: remove any bleach-type cleaner or device from toilet tank or bowl. Mixing bleach with citric acid can create dangerous chlorine gas. So, I don't have time to do this. Hi, honey. I don't have time to wait overnight. When I did a move out a few months ago, I used this. I don't always use this. I've had this bottle, I think anywhere between 4 to 6 months. And it says you're supposed to use half the bottle. But I'm not going to do that. I don't do that because I want my money. I want to save as much as I possibly can as far as money-wise. So what I'm going to do now is, so I want to show you what it first looks like. So come with me. Okay, so we've got, let's do it this way. So you can see, and yes, I have a brush. Once I use this brush, I throw it away. I have hundreds. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. But you can see the rust floating. And I'm going to leave this in. I'm just going to leave this in here because I don't want to. So I want to show you. Okay. I have flushed this. I've already flushed this one time. So we're going to flush it again. Look at how clean that is so far. So, okay. So let's say you don't have toilet bowl cleaner, or you don't have the toilet tank cleaner. You can get it on Amazon, Instant Power Toilet Tank Cleaner. The sign is orange and white. Let's say you don't have toilet tank cleaner. How many times am I going to say that? I don't know. So if you have a brush of any kind that you really don't want, and you're going to do it the old-fashioned way, which I am, because I'm going to show you what you can do and all of that. So right now, before I put that in there, I'm going to try to get as much of the rust and the iron out as I possibly can, okay? Now, I know that some of you are going to be, hesitant and say, you're not letting the chemical do its job and this and that. That's fine. That's okay. You can... I've been doing this way for a long time, and then I finally realized that there's a chemical out there. So I'm going to show you how you can do it without this chemical. So what I'm doing now is I'm just getting all the rust and all the iron off right now, as much as I possibly can. So then what I'm going to do is so here's the thing, is I keep flushing because I have to be able to, I'll flush it and I'll wait for the water to go down, and then I'll take a bucket of water and I'll dump it in the tank. And as it fills up, you flush again, and it just becomes clear over and over and over again. So that's what we're going to do. Okie dokie. Today's been a rough day. My husband hit himself. He's a welder, so my husband hit himself 3 different times today. He burnt himself. Okay, so I'm going to move this. I'm going to put it down here. And you're probably going to make a mess. Okay. I don't want to fill the bucket up all the way. So, I don't know if you can see you probably can't see the inside of it. Hope you can. Okay, that's okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to flush, and as I flush, I'm going to pour this in. So whatever is in the tank now is going through here and filtering, okay? Okay? So, and you can do this however many times you want to. And like I said, if you don't have hi Julie, if you don't have the toilet tank cleaner, it's just a powder. It's just a powder. It's white. Doesn't dye the back of your tank or anything. So, yeah. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Can you believe that it's almost February? This tank is almost clean. I mean, not clean. It's almost clear. The water is almost clear. So, and there's still stuff floating in there, but when I leave, I am going to dump this in there. Just a little bit. in the toilet, but that'll be fine. That'll be fine. So I'm going to show you. Look, and I have a before picture. Look at how clear that is. Isn't that so clear? Just imagine after I get all of this done, it's going to be so pretty. See? So pretty, huh? Well, okay, that's not pretty. But this is getting pretty because you've seen it before. It was, well, when I first started, it was brown. It was like this color. So, without any chemicals so far, I think I'm doing pretty good. And you can do this too. You can do this too. So, chemicals are not always what they're cracked up to be. If you don't have stuff like this, you can try my method with taking a Dollar Tree brush or something and, cleaning the inside with it, scrubbing it as far as you can. Make sure that you have gloves. I got these gloves. These are Gorilla gloves. They don't rip. They're puncture proof. I've never had these gloves rip. They are only $7.95 for 50 pairs. So, yeah. But anyway, all you need to clean the back of your tank, if you don't have a chemical, is a bucket of some sort, or a bowl, or anything that can carry water, and a brush of some sort. I use a bottle brush or, that kind of thing, because you can get down. I'm not going to scrub because I don't have the long brush. I do have that, but as you could see, it was doing a really good job. So we're going to see what it really looks like after we do the powder.